Correct laying method of alumina ceramic sheet. First, one side of the background paper faces outward, and glue is applied to the ceramic sheet on the other side. The steel plate should be polished well. Tools to be prepared include rubber hammers and mixing shovels. Find a clean place to mix the glue. And be sure to mix thoroughly and evenly when mixing. When applying glue, try to keep the thickness consistent and apply evenly. Mosaic glue is usually 1.7 to 2 kilograms per square meter. If the ceramic is thicker, more glue will be used. Typically 2 to 3 kilograms per square meter. When the temperature is below 15 degrees Celsius, the glue is very viscous and difficult to construct, requiring heating in an environment not higher than 50 degrees Celsius. Once again, glue must be applied to the ceramic surface and affixed to the equipment. After paving, tap firmly with a rubber hammer, mainly to remove air between the ceramic sheet and the glue, allowing the ceramic and the glue to fully contact. As you can see, our glue is relatively firm after being glued on and won't fall off easily. This is the paved appearance.